Mr. Agarwal, welcome to AICon conference. Welcome to Modern Plastics TV. It is our pleasure to invite you here for an exclusive interview with Modern Plastics TV. Could you please tell our viewers about yourself and current scenario of polymer, petrochemical and plastic industry?
First of all, thank you for inviting me over here. My association with the petroleum industry per se, not plastic and polymer, is 38 years. Initially, I was working with Bharat Petroleum. 5 years back, I joined Tata Consultancy Services. In India, we have, as much I understand, we are in the minus. We have to import, most of these products, and we are depending upon our hard-earned money is going, the forex is going in importing of plastics and some of the polymer products. Globally, we see that there is a growth. There is a growth toward this industry. In fact, it is being said that the refineries, oil refineries should move to the polymer, petrochemicals. Otherwise, the viability of the refinery will be in a question. So I see that 50-50%. If the oil refinery is having say 5 billion kind of business, and nearly 2 billion business should come from this industry. They have to adopt. Once this happen in our country, when polymer and this industry, plastic become the part of petroleum growth, I think that deficiency which I talk about, the 30%, I think there is a good chance that India will move in a very fast curve, but Dow Chemical is doing globally or BASF is doing globally. So that is what is my today view on this.
How do you see the digital transformation in petroleum industry?
If we see the global studies, World Economic Forum and quite a few other studies are available, oil industry globally is far behind of digital transformation and adoption of these technologies. Oil industry or polymer industry or petrochemical industry is a highly capital industry. Asset and process are both the key ingredient of this industry. But for some other reason, we have seen that what we have realized, all these studies are suggesting that there is a lot of scope of investment in this area of digital transformation. Today, world is having challenge of digital disruption. If you don't adopt these technologies in your business function or in your manufacturing plant, there is a chance that there will be a challenger standing in front of you and say, now you get out from this business, I will take off this business. And this has happened in many other industries, like we have seen in retail, advertising, and and entertainment. So I will say that digital transformation is today a reality. This industry has to adopt as fast as other industries are adopting. Mining, we are seeing very good growth, but we are not seeing that sort of growth in oil industry as well as in the polymer industry. There is a very good scope. In fact, I have a talk which I am going to deliver in few minutes. Artificial intelligence or drones, or robotics, and quite a few deep learning kind of technologies. These have very good role in this industry of polymer or petrochemical. What is required is that this industry should study how these technologies can leverage, how can we help in their growth, and then they should make a baby step and try to make a phased manner implementation of these technologies.
Sir, could you please tell our viewers, how do you see the future down the line 10 years?
The future of any industry is always good in my opinion, as long as we comply the global trends. The climate change has become reality. China has stopped recycling the plastics. In my opinion, this industry has a good potential as long as it adhere to the nature. And like oil industry is moving toward renewables and biofuels. this industry also has to consider deeply that how they can save the nature. And adoption of plastic and like in India, in some of the cities, they have banned government has imposed a ban of some kind of polythene bags, etc. So that is a very, very wrong signal. This industry has to learn that how they should invent, what kind of innovation they should bring, and they have to make entire environment keep happy and healthy. So that is one area I feel that the industry has to grow. It's still sufficient research or sufficient investment is not coming in this area. Second thing, in this industry growth in our country especially, because our country is also one of the largest consumer of these products. I think we have to move toward the indigenous development, indigenous industry, rather than depending upon that foreigners and importing all these products. This is what I see the growth.
Mr. Agarwal, thank you so much for being with Modern Plastics TV. Have a wonderful time at AICON Petrochemical Conference. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.